Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sneha from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, and today we'll be dealing a topic from analysis and design of algorithms, that is Dijkstra'S algorithm. These are the fundamentals. This algorithm is also called the single source shortest paths algorithm. This algorithm basically deals with finding the shortest path from a graph's vertex, that is a source, to the next node. Like there'll be so many vertexes. Vertexes are also called nodes. So you have to find the distance from the source to the next node and so on. Uh, so here we'll be taking the reference as vertex, and this algorithm is applicable to both directed and undirected graphs, but only it deals with the non-negative weights only. So to understand this better, let us consider this example. Here is a graph where S is the source, A, B, D are the vertices. The distance from S to A is 1, and A to B is 1, S to B is 3, and so on. So let us draw an matrix for it. So you can clearly see that from S to S, there is no distance, which is so we'll be denoting it as 0. And from S to 1, it is 1. From S to B, it is 3. And from S to C, it's infinity. I mean, whenever you don't find a edge between any two vertices, you denote it by infinity in this algorithm. And from A to S, there is no path. So it's again infinity. A to A is 0. You have to make note that the diagonal will always be 0. Next, A to B is 1 and A to C is 10. Next, when we consider B as a vertex, B to S is infinity, B to A is infinity, B to B is 0, and B to C is 4. And when we consider C as a vertex, C to S is infinity, C to A is infinity, C to B is infinity, and C to C is 0, because there is no any outgoing edge from vertex C. So now we have to find the shortest path. In order to do that, we'll be taking two columns here that are explored and unexplored. In the first step, you can see S to the power of 0s, because we are starting from the source. So the source is 0s, and from the source first it is unexplored. So all the power, it will be infinity. That means it is not explored yet. Now we'll take one by one vertex with the shortest edge length. So when you consider the source, from the source, there are only two possibilities, that is A and B. So from the source to A, it is 1, S denotes the source, and from S to B, it is 3, which is again the edge length between S and B. And from S source to C, there is no direct path. So we'll be writing it as infinity. Now let us consider the shortest among A, B, and C is A. So we'll be taking A to the side of explode. And from A, now we'll be, now again we have to consider the source as well as A, because that's how this algorithm works. So from the source to B, you can see from source to A it is 1, and from A to B it is 2. So it will be 2A. Okay. And from source to A and source to C, 1, 1, and 10. No, 1, 1, and 10. Why we will not be taking B, we will be taking A. So it will be 1 plus 10, it will be 11. Now we are out of B and C, the shortest is B to A. So we'll be taking B towards explode. And now we'll be trying to find a path to C from the source. So from the source to A, it is 1S. And from A to B, it is 2A. And from B to C, it is 4. It basically means that 1 is in the sense from source to A to B is 1 plus the source 1, so it is 2A. And from the B to C, it is 4, so 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 6. Now we'll be taking the remaining one, the unexplored one, that is C, to the explode side, and no further vertexes to be explored. So this ends the this ends the algorithm. Now we'll be seeing the final graph. Now, since we have to find the shortest path between them, it goes like from the source to A, it is 1. So we are taking it 1. And from the source to B, it is 2A. That is the shortest out of 2A and 3S. It is the shortest. So we are considering that. And the next one is, see, you can see 6 to the power of 6B and 11A. Since 6B is the shortest one, so we are considering it. So this will be the shortest path from the source to the 3 vertices. And whenever you have to write it, you will be writing it from the source. So from the source to A, it is 1. From the source to B, it is 2. And from the source to C, it is 6. This is how you do it. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Uh, Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.